Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw your funds from Minipay to Bybit step by step. So if you've been wondering how to move your crypto or money safely, then this video is for you. Watch till the end and let's get started. So first of all, Minipay is a Web3 wallet that is owned and operated by Opera Mini. So since it's a Web3 wallet, you alone have access to your wallet. No government or any third-party organization or anybody is monitoring your wallet. You alone have access to your wallet. That's one thing I want you to know. And then the next thing is that you have to create a Bybit account. Since we are going to be moving our funds from Minipay to Bybit. You have to open a Bybit account. So you have to go to Play Store or Apple Store and download Bybit Exchange. All right. You have to download a Bybit Exchange. And if you've never had an account before, then go ahead and download the app from any of the either Apple Store, like I said, or Play Store. Then register it. After registration, you complete the KYC, which is the same thing as know your customer. That KYC that I'm talking about here is the fact that you have to complete your KYC for you to be able to have full access to the exchange. All right. So you can also use the link at the video description to download the Bybit, open it, register it, and then you can be trading directly from Minipay or sending your coins from Minipay to Bybit. All right. And then you can now get started. So like I said, the link will be dropped right at the video description. All right. So you open the app and then tap on assets. All right. So first of all, since we are going to be needing to withdraw crypto from Minipay, so we just click right here, this withdraw section. We'll click on it. And then you click on exchange. You click on exchange and then you click on Bybit. You click on Bybit, okay? After clicking on Bybit, you can now see they say follow these steps to withdraw from Minipay to Bybit. So you have to tap on deposit on Bybit. After typing on deposit section on Bybit, they have to select USDC as the coin you want to transfer or you want to move from this Minipay wallet here to Bybit. All right. And then you're going to be selecting Celo network on Bybit. Okay. And then afterwards, you copy the address of the USDT coin from Bybit and come here and paste it. All right. That's what I'm going to be showing you right here. So now let's head over to Bybit. You open the app. In case you don't have it, this is how the app looks like. You can use the link at the video description to download it. All right. After downloading it, you register it, and then so here is the app. As soon as you get to this section, you just head over to the assets where you have this asset section. You click on it. All right. Then you click on deposit right here. Okay. You click on this deposit. Okay. All right. And then it's going to load up select payment method. Just go ahead. You can see here it has loaded. It has showed up this. Okay. So you just go ahead and select deposit crypto. Just select deposit crypto. You just click right here. And then it's going to show, you can see poor network. So ensure that while you're doing this, your network is very, very stable. Okay. So now you can now come here and search either USDT right here. Okay. Ensure that it is toggled to crypto. It shouldn't be toggled to fiat. We are working with fiat. Fiat means paper currency. But since we are not working with fiat, it should always be toggled onto crypto. Okay. Then make sure it's at this corner. Then you come here and type USDT right there. Okay, so we'll type USDT. You can see the available list of coins that has just showed out. You can see these are the list of coins that are in the crypto section. Okay, so now you can see USDT right here is here. Why it's showing here? Because I have searched USDT. I've added it in my recently I've searched for it many times. All right, but in case USDT doesn't show right here, just come here and type USDT right at the top corner there. All right, just type USDT. All right, it's going to show that first one that you see here is the USDT that we're looking for. You tap on the first one. Okay, then it's going to load up this cell. It's going to load up this for you to select chains. Just go ahead and type on select chains. So it has now shown the various network that we have on Bybit USDT. So since we are looking for the Celo USDT, because why we are looking for the Celo USDT is because the USDT that Opera Mini wallet there, which is Minipay support, is built on the Celo network. So any USDT that you are transferring to the Minipay wallet there should always be on the Celo network. Do not do mistake and use a different network. These are all the various networks in USDT here in Bybit. So this is the one I'm gonna be tapping. I'm gonna be tapping on this particular one here. Okay, so you tap on it and then you can see USDT at the top and then you can see the network Celo. All right, so it means that we are on the right track. So just go ahead, network. So if it does like this, kindly refresh the page. So it has taken us here. Just go ahead and type on it again. Cool. All right, it has shown out this. Now this is the address. This is our address that we're going to be copying. We'll copy this address and then head back to our Minipay. All right, we'll copy this address, head back to Minipay. You can copy it from here or you can also copy it from here. As soon as we get back to Minipay, we are going to paste this address in the Minipay wallet and initiate the transaction. And as soon as we initiate the transaction, the money is going to be deducted from our Minipay and then you are going to see the money right here on Bybit. The money is going to appear right here on Bybit after we have pasted the address that we have just copied right here. Okay, so let me show you how to go and initiate the transaction. So you just head back to Minipay. You open up your Minipay, then head back to where you have withdrawal. So here we now head back to where we were. So this is where you are going to paste that address that you copied from Bybit. So you paste it here. You paste it here, good, and then you type the amount that you want to withdraw from this Minipay wallet to your Bybit exchange. Let's say, for instance, I want to withdraw 10 USDT. So you just go ahead and click on continue, and then as soon as you click on continue, you go ahead and click on continue right here. Okay, you click on continue right there, and then this is the amount that is going to be sent to your Bybit exchange. This is the amount that is going to be sent to your Bybit exchange. And then as soon as you click on this total, this highlight, you highlight this button, and then you can see withdraw button has currently been highlighted. As soon as I click on this withdraw, and then another button is going to show for me to approve the withdrawal. As soon as I click on that approve withdrawal, the money is going to be deducted from this particular Minipay wallet in less than few seconds, and then it's going to appear right on my Bybit exchange. It's going to appear right on my Bybit exchange. Then you can open your Bybit. Sorry, you can open your Bybit right here, and then still go back to that asset section, and you will discover that the money is currently there, sitting and staring at you. Okay. Now this is where you go to. You come here. As soon as you come right there, you tap on it again, and then you can now see that the money will be here. The money will be sitting here, will be here sitting. That $10 that you withdrew will be here sitting for you, and then you can do whatsoever you want to do with it. All right, so that is how to withdraw from your Minipay down to your Bybit. All right, and then one more thing that you need to know is this. One more important tips you need to know is this. Always use the correct network. All right. Always use the correct network. Always ensure that any USDT that you are withdrawing from Minipay to Bybit should always be on the Celo network. All right. And then always, if you are not sure of, whenever you've copied the address from Bybit, and let's say you are not sure if that's the correct address, then you should always send small amount from your Minipay to Bybit, just to be sure that you are copying the correct one. You can send, like, let's say $1 to Bybit, and if you reflect, then know that is the correct address that you copied. So if this video was very helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. And also do your best to share and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the new video, you will always be notified on time. See you in the next video.